Welcome to Motor Vision, the ultimate destination for car lovers, where we bring you the latest insights, reviews, and deep dives into the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay with us for the most exciting updates. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury and innovation, the 2025 Audi A8. Let's take a ride into the heart of German engineering and elegance. Audi has always stood at the intersection of sophistication and technology, and the 2025 A8 is a perfect example of that philosophy. As the flagship sedan of the brand, the A8 has evolved to deliver not only comfort and style, but also a high dose of future-ready intelligence. This isn't just a luxury car, it's an experience tailored for those who demand the very best. Starting with the design, the 2025 Audi A8 makes a bold impression right from the first glance. The exterior is sculpted to perfection with flowing lines, a prominent hexagonal grille, and ultra-slim LED matrix headlights that resemble the eyes of a futuristic machine. The rear design complements the front beautifully with a full-width OLED light strip that changes its pattern based on driving mode. This car doesn't just move, it announces itself with style. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The interior of the 2025 A8 is a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. Audi has refined its approach with a focus on clean aesthetics and intuitive technology. Every surface is wrapped in soft-touch materials with handcrafted leather seats featuring diamond stitching that invites you to sink in. The use of real wood, brushed aluminum, and piano black trim accents adds to the premium feel without overwhelming the senses. The dashboard is dominated by a curved OLED digital display that seamlessly integrates the virtual cockpit and infotainment system. Below that, a second touchscreen controls climate settings and vehicle functions. Both displays respond to touch, voice, and even gesture control, making interaction effortless, and with haptic feedback, you'll feel a subtle confirmation of each command you give, just like pressing a real button. Rear passengers are treated like royalty. With executive seating packages available, they can enjoy reclining seats with massage functions, rear entertainment screens, and individual climate control. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin in customizable colors, creating a serene environment whether it's day or night. And thanks to Audi's advanced noise insulation, the cabin remains whisper, quiet even at high speeds. Under the hood, the 2025 A8 continues to impress. Audi offers a range of engine options, including a V6 and V8 with mild hybrid technology for enhanced efficiency and performance. For those seeking sustainable luxury, there's also a plug-in hybrid variant that offers silent, all-electric driving for short commutes while still delivering the full power of a luxury sedan when needed. All variants come with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, ensuring confident handling in any condition. The ride quality is smooth and composed, thanks to adaptive air suspension that reads the road ahead using front-mounted cameras. Whether you're gliding down a city boulevard or cruising on the highway, the A8 adapts to provide maximum comfort and stability. Driving this car feels less like piloting a machine and more like floating in a perfectly balanced cocoon. On the technology front, the 2025 A8 is packed with intelligent driver assistance features. Audi's latest version of AI-assisted driving allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and even automatic parking. The vehicle constantly learns and adapts, making each journey safer and more intuitive than the last. The car is also equipped with over-the-air updates, meaning your eat gets smarter with time. Another highlight is the advanced voice assistant, which understands natural language and can perform tasks like adjusting the cabin temperature, navigating to your next destination, or even reading out messages. Combined with seamless smartphone integration and a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, this car becomes your second living room on wheels. So who is the 2025 Audi A8 made for? It's built for those who appreciate refinement, crave innovation, and demand top-tier comfort. Whether you're being chauffeured or taking the wheel yourself, the A8 ensures that every drive is a first-class experience. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about how you feel along the way. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Audi A8. Let us know in the comments what you think about Audi's latest flagship. Would you choose it over the BMW 7 Series or Mercedes S-Class? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another review. This is Motor Vision. See you on the road.